I wake up. I open my eyes. I am in a bed. The room is quiet. I sit up. I look around. The room is clean. There is a desk next to the bed. I see a white envelope on the desk. I get out of bed. I walk to the desk. I pick up the envelope. It feels heavy. I open the envelope. Inside, there is a key. The key has a small tag. The tag says home. I look at the envelope again. There's a photo inside. It is a photo of a church. The church is beautiful. It has big doors and tall windows. I look at the photo. I feel something. Maybe I should go there. I get dressed. I put the key in my pocket. I take the photo. I leave the room. Outside, the sun is bright. The street is busy. People are walking. Cars are moving. I start walking. I look at the photo. I try to find the church. I walk for 20 minutes. I turn left. I turn right. I keep looking. Then I feel something. I feel like someone is watching me. I look back. I see a shadow. A man. He is far away, but he is there. My heart beats fast. I walk faster. I turn a corner. I look back again. The shadow is gone. I keep walking. After 10 minutes, I see the church. It is the same church from the photo. I feel happy. I walk to the church doors. The church is quiet. I go inside. I look around. The windows are beautiful. The light comes through the colors. It feels peaceful. I walk slowly. I look at the walls. I look at the chairs. Then I see something. A small envelope on a chair. I pick it up. I open it. Inside, there is a paper. It says, "Turn left outside the church. Walk 2 blocks, look for the blue house, number 24. I fold the paper. I leave the church. I turn left. I start walking. The street is quiet now. I walk 1 block, then 2 blocks. I look for a blue house. Then I feel it again. Someone is behind me. I turn around quickly. I see him. A man. He's standing near a tree. He is looking at me. I am scared. My hands shake. Who is this man? Why is he following me? I walk very fast. I don't look back. I count the houses. Number 20, number 22, number 24. I stop. This is it. A blue house. It looks old but nice. It has a small garden. There are flowers. I take out the key. My hand is shaking. I walk to the door. I put the key in the lock. I turn it. Click. The door opens. I go inside. I close the door behind me. I feel safe now. The house is quiet. It smells like flowers. I look around. There is a living room. There is a kitchen. There are photos on the walls. I walk slowly. I look at the photos. I see a very young woman. She looks like me. I see a man. They are smiling. They are holding hands. I feel confused. Who are these people? I walk upstairs. There are 3 doors. I open the first door. It is a bedroom. I open the second door. It is another bedroom. I open the third door. I stop. This room is different. The room is full of light. The walls are covered with photos, big photos, small photos. There are boxes. There are letters. There is a screen on the wall. A video is playing. I walk inside. I look at the photos. I see the woman again. I see the man. They are at the church. They are getting married. I look at more photos. The woman is holding a baby. She is smiling. The man is next to her. They look happy. More photos. 2 children now. A boy and a girl. They are laughing. More photos. The children are older. There are more people. Grandchildren, maybe. I walk to a table. There are letters. I pick one up. I read it. It says, "My love, today was beautiful. Thank you for everything." I pick up another letter. It says, "I will always be with you, forever." Then I see it. A big envelope. I open it. Inside, there is a long letter. I start reading. It says, "My dear wife, if you are reading this, you have found the key. You have found the church. You have found our home. You have found this room. I am so proud of you. But I must tell you something. Something happened to you 3 years ago. You lost your memory. Every day when you wake up, you remember nothing. Your memory works for only 24 hours. Tomorrow morning, you will forget everything again. You will forget me. You will forget our children. You will forget our life together. But I promised you something. I promised to stay with you in good times and bad times, in sickness and in health. I made this for you. Every day you wake up, you find the envelope. You find the key. You go to the church where we got married. You come home, you find this room. And I am always with you. I follow you every day. I watch you. I keep you safe. I make sure nothing happens to you. Today we have 14 hours left together. Tomorrow you will start again. But I will be there. I will always be there. I love you. Now turn around. I am here. Your husband, James. I finish reading. My hands are shaking. Tears fall from my eyes. I can't breathe. I turn around slowly. The man is standing at the door. The mysterious man, the shadow. He is smiling at me. His eyes are kind. His eyes are full of love. He says,
"Hello, my love. Welcome home."
He opens his arms. I understand now. This man is not a stranger. He is my husband. He was protecting me. He was helping me. The end. Do you think true love like this still happens? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories.